Greetings and salutations, folks. I'm Josh from Layzee Acres. Thank you for tuning in. We are saving the world here, one trailer at a time. Today, we're going to take a look at a 2024 Keystone Springdale, model number 2010 BH. It weighs 3,500 pounds, single axle with double over double bunks, a front bedroom. Awesome model for you here at Layzee Acres. This one's going to make you as desperate as the third monkey on the ramp to Noah's Ark. And it's starting to rain, baby. I'm here with my friend, that Dutch bad boy, Brendan Hannemeyer, on the camera today. Brendan?
What's going on? Happy campers, future campers, and fellow salespeople. Thank you so much for tuning into the #1 RV YouTube channel in the world. If you don't mind hitting that like and subscribe button, we'd very much appreciate it. I know Josh is recycling lines at this point, but it'd still be sweet for you to hit that. We're on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Pinterest. We're everywhere. Enjoy this unit.
Right on, Brendan. Front manual jack, 20 pumper paint tank, battery in a box location in through there, wood frame, aluminum skin. You know what's better, Brendan, than it raining on just a +1 day?
What?
Anything.
Oh, true.
We got our pass-through storage going right through there to the other side. We got 4 manual stabilizer jacks. Those look like 15-inch tires to me, B?
I checked that.
You checked that, eh? We checked. R15s, furnace vent, 30 amp polo style cord, city water connection, sewer drain down below. And then here at the back side, we got a full-size spare. We're gonna put a beautiful Layzee Acre tire cover on there for you. We've got a bike door, Brendan. So you can basically fold this bunk up and in, drive like a smaller bike in through there, store some larger items. Let me get that bumper plug here, B. Freshwater fill there, electric awning that comes down the door side, LED lights in that awning, big dinette window, bunk window, on-demand water heater, and then right here is just some additional storage for you.
With a plug if you want to throw a fridge.
If you want to. You don't have to, Brendan.
I would.
There's no rule, saying you have to do anything Brendan says. Single step entrance up and in, lend a hand grab handle, the other side of our pass-through. Let's go have a look inside. Right on, folks, we're inside that Springdale 2010 BH. Brian was just making fun of me because I said front bedroom, but this is a room.
Yes, you're in the bedroom.
With a bed, so that's what we're going to call it here. 60 by 74 sideways queen, shelf across the top, nice wardrobe in through here. They've upgraded now to these magnet latches. They're just a little more foolproof. There's a nice little receptacle down in through there, and then we do have storage here underneath our bed as well. Goes a full length there, B. That's fantastic. We got ourselves a smaller sink, 2-burner stovetop, some good cupboards in through there. You can put a few garbage cans in there, Brendan. There's nothing saying you have to ever throw your garbage out. A little windy today too, B.
Very.
And then we got a couple drawers in through here. We're okay. Drawer in through there. Kitchen window, cupboard space here across the top for plates and cups. Let's switch spots. As we go over here to the other side of our kitchen, there's some more storage there. We got ourselves a microwave with a 3 cubic foot 12-volt fridge. And then look at all this storage, Brendan.
This is killer.
This is unbelievable. Another one down and through. I love the way these latches go. Couple drawers. And then we got our booth dinette in through here. That'll go down to a secondary bed for you. Door side window, like I mentioned. Some more storage. Holy smokes, that's a lot of storage for a 20-foot travel trailer. Double over double bunks. What happened here with these handprints?
You were setting the beds up.
It looks like someone was like trying to... He was dragged out of the bunk room. No, I think someone was here and someone pulled him up. All right, into the bathroom here. Plastic toilet, the dump truck fits. Sink. Cupboard space there, mirror, and then up into the shower. I'm 6 feet tall, and your boy Josh fits in here quite easily. That's the video. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit us up on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Leave us a comment down below. Have yourself a good day.